believe in you, I believe in me, I believe in us, and together we can live in a better city, a better world, a better whatever, you know, you just create your own reality. I believe in y'all. This next track is called Brand New Year. So obviously in American tradition we celebrate a new year. This year there was a Lunar New Year, and because we are the most diverse city in the whole entire nation culturally, I like to share different cultures with different cultures. I performed for the Palestinian festival, performed for the Japanese festival. This was for the Lunar New Year for the Vietnamese community, and this song is called A Brand New Year, and it's the year of the horse. How many of y'all know that it's the year of the horse in Chinese tradition, yeah? Okay, okay. Can I hear a little horse noise? It took me a couple times to learn this. All right, this song's called Brand New Year, the last track. Check, check. I would love to run up and down the stage, but this chord is short. We gonna make do, all right? Houston, Texas. I love y'all. Check it out, a brand new me, a brand new you, a brand new day, a brand new view. I'm gonna gallop, where we going? To the future. It's not about greed, it's not about speed, it's all about grace, it's all about pace. In the year with a horse, for this do-better city, come on. When you supporting the boys into destroying the forces of rap, I'm supposed to be this, you supposed to be that. If we're supposed to be, then hopefully we know to reach your focus, speak and hold the keys globally. And if I know that, then you know this. To make them notice, keep the focus like some grown kids. I'm no longer a boy, I am a grown man. To make decisions with efficiency, my own plans. I wasted time not thinking, but we live and we learn. 2012 and I managed to birth. Since my birth I was a verbal little turtle at work. Slow and steady, now I'm ready to just canvas the earth. Word, I squint my eyes and feel a level of ease. Stay strong everyone, but some prefer to be weak. Change is from within and I'm believing in me. Extend my love to my family. Come on, a brand new me, a brand new you, a brand new day, a brand new view. I'm gon' gallop, where we going? To the future. It's not about greed, it's not about speed, it's all about grace, it's all about pace. In a year with a horse, in this do-better city. Scorching my pen, I'll be recording a track. Ever since I can remember, I was holding it back. This is the life of a son. Bring the light to the numb. Unzip my lips, I'm kinda sick of just biting my tongue. So I open my mind, develop hope in my grind. Take the dope to climb and throw the pole to poke to the sky. Now I'm wondering why. I see the hate in their eyes. If they're hating, then tell me why. The people decide I'm like a needle to see, in a fever to see. Speaking lethal to minds, I let them soak in the grease. I am freestyle bully, I am money and light. On the grind like my homie, try to do what is right. Ready to fly, dog and let the angels sing. Thank the prince cause it was him that brought me back to my king. I'm not ready to die, I got soldiers to bring. Looking back and I am proud. A brand new me, a brand new you, a brand new day, a brand new view. I'm gon' gallop, where we going? To the future. It's not about greed, it's not about speed, it's all about grace, it's all about pace. In the year with a horse, in this two-better city. Now Houston is the diverse city on the map. I'm a rock for the nation and let them know the facts. I react like an alkaline, search like an alchemist. Allocate the algorithm, actions of an altruist. I cut them sooner than an acronym with barreling, barreling through the battle, get operated like Adam. I'm a breathing the season, spicing up my life. Come on, a brand new me, a brand new you, a brand new day, a brand new view. I'm gon' gallop, where we going? To the future. It's not about greed, it's not about speed, it's all about grace, it's all about pace. In this year with a horse, in this two-better city. Not about greed, not about speed, all about grace, all about pace. It's not about greed, it's not about speed, it's all about grace, it's all about pace. It's not about greed, it's not about speed, it's all about grace, it's all about pace. It's not about greed, it's not about speed, it's all about grace, it's all about pace. So where are we going? To the future. Houston, Texas, if you believe in your city as much as I believe in you, and I believe in the city myself, defend your city. If someone's acting up, acting crazy, not representing your city the right way, speak up. You make a difference. I love you.